Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on the build bench. Today I'm just going to do another video on essentially like kind of like a how to use sort of slash program you should be using on your PC sort of video. And the program we're going to be talking about today is, I don't know how many people still know about this. I know Jay's 2 cents did a video on it not long ago, but the program is REVO Uninstaller. Now, most people, when it comes to like uninstalling, will usually just go through the control panel, go to programs, uninstall a program, pick whatever in there, and uninstall it that way. The problem with doing it that way is that yes, the main program might be gone, but it always leaves sort of trace files still on your PC, in your C drive, so on and so forth. Whereas with REVO, if you, I don't know, let's say I'll just show you quickly with something that can be installed that I'm not really bothered about. So if we go to like ideally I should have had this planned out already, but never mind. We go to this garage flipper here because the game's not that good. Anyway, you see in the top left here how it says uninstall. What you do is you click on the program. In fact, scrap that, they've stopped that now. Click on the program, right click, click uninstall, untick make system restore point, click continue, let it scan. This will come up, say yeah. That's the main program now removed. As you can see, there's a gap here. But then if you make sure advanced is ticked and you tick scan, let it scan through your system. So it hasn't found a lot for me because I didn't play a lot of that game, but it's basically left a file in my C drive. So what I would do is select all, hit delete, get rid of that, and then if I go on something else, like let's say construction simulator. Now this is obviously going to open Steam yet and tell me it won't install that way, which is fine. It's still uninstalled it was there. Again, scan on advanced. Should be a few more files on this because I played this quite a lot. Like yeah, look at all these files that game and Steam have left behind in the system, and these take up room. If you think about how many programs you have on a system, you have all these files left in the background just chilling in your C drive, wherever. Uninstalling through the control panel doesn't get rid of these. So again, select all, delete, get rid, and that's that program completely gone from the system then. Like everything, main file, trace files, everything gone. So yeah, I'd suggest people stop uninstalling files through the normal Windows control panel and the uninstall in there, and download REVO Uninstaller. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can download REVO Uninstaller from. It is free, it's a free program. But yeah, this is by far the best program for uninstalling anything on your system, and it's a program that anybody with a PC for anything, whether it be gaming, whether it be for work, whatever, everybody should have this program. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick video just explaining kind of how to use it, kind of what it is, and like why you should have it. I'll have another couple of videos coming up in the next couple of days, another couple of like GPU reviews sort of thing. But yeah, for now guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you wouldn't mind, and I will catch you in the next video.